Hello everyone. Hi, today I'm going to explain about the different parts of a typical flower. So this is your Hypericum perforatum and its common name is St. John wort. So firstly I would like to start it from here. So this is your stalk of flower. The stalk of flower is called as your peduncle or sometimes your pedicel. So this is your stalk of flower. As you can see, and these green leaf-like structures are called as sepals, and the whole means circle, whole circle of sepals is called as your calyx, and the function of this calyx is to protect the flower when the flower is in bud condition. So this is a flower and this flower is right now in a bud condition. So these are your sepals. As you can see, these sepals are protecting this flower in this bud condition. So next to sepal is your next to sepals is your petals. This colored portion of flower. This whorl is your petals, and the functions of these petals is to pollinate the flower, because these are so bright in color. This attracts the birds for the process of pollination. So these are your petals, and whole whorl of petal is called as a corolla. These are your separated petals. This is an image of individual petal. These are your petals. Next to petals, now we are gonna discuss about the male and female reproductive parts of the plant, because this flower is a monoecious flowers. Monoecious flower means both male and female parts are present on the same plants. So firstly we are gonna discuss about the male reproductive parts. So this is a whorl of male reproductive part. This is your androecium. An individual male reproductive part has two parts. Firstly, this cap-like structure, this is your anther, and this long tube-like structure, this is your filament. So an individual stamen is constituted by two parts, filament and in the anther. As you can see, this is your anther and this long tube-like structure is your filament. And the whole whorl of this stamen, these stamens are called as your androecium. So this was about the male reproductive part, and now we're going to discuss about the female reproductive part. Female reproductive part is called as your pistil, and the whole whorl of these pistils is called as female reproductive part, and the second name of this female reproductive part is your gynoecium. So this is your gynoecium, as you can see, and this gynoecium has three parts. Firstly, the uppermost part, this is your stigma and long tube-like structure, this is your style, and this swollen portion is your ovary, and inside this ovary ovules are present. So basically your male reproductive part has two parts, anther and filament, and female reproductive part has three parts: stigma, uppermost part, style, long tube-like structure, and lowermost swollen portion is your ovary. So these are all the parts of a typical flower. Not all the flowers are bisexual. Means in some flowers both male and female parts are present on the separate plants, but being monoecious or hermaphrodite in nature, both the plant parts or both the reproductive organs are present on the same plants. So yeah, this is all about the different parts of a typical flower.